I hope you be well. My name is Amir Mehdi. In this one we're gonna change some characters in a string by method replace. So let's say you have a number and I write some numbers and some sevens at the end of the string, and we want to change 7 to 1. So we write another variable and we write number dot replace, and here you could give 3 arguments. First one is old value, which is 7, and second one is new value, which is 1, and third one is optional. So if you don't write anything, it's gonna change every 7 to 1. So you print your variable, and we got this, which this changed every 7 to 1. And if you in the optional argument, if you write a number like 2, it's gonna change first 2 characters. So it's gonna change this one and this one. So let's try it. As you can see, it's like this. So make sure you subscribe the channel. We're done. Till next one. Peace.